Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps disconnecting on the application of Remitly app. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Remitly app and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You search about Remitly app. Here you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and